Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Nia me person me come still comes back to they say Korane dear no. Say politics no there. You be jam politicians no. I'm not dealing with that. Na yeah Oshe nia honorable ekan ya research a integral part of the whole process. And most of the countries now omwetimi ehu yare no subane ne tebia no. They invested heavily into research to be able to ascertain enyama PFA yare no ho. Therefore no ebo mo ma mutimi design policies ebetimi abo to push the agenda forward. Na also in the area of Nkora school being now America be a school first, you know. They didn't do enough work in that area. And you know it's a malam say they need to invest in the area of looking at how COVID no behavior amongst Nkora. So there was a heavy investment in that area to the extent they say there's a lot of things that make me identify Nkora. They've come to the conclusion that they are looking at whether or not, you know, Akorenya COVID in the next 10 to 20 years, you know, will there be any effect on Akorana? That is the level omodu. Na omotimi aye nyama betimi abo asenia ombetimi abo Nkora ho ban. But the current situation, you know, do not warrant any fear. Be say bia Sakora sabi onya COVID edu wu ana say the nyama boni bi bebre Akwara no and then the master of one say we should relax and make sure say Akwara no betimi akọ school. Until there's a need for a huge investment in the area of research to know the extent to which COVID may behave amongst Akwara no, because Akwara no mbabeko school no almost about 7.9 million Akwara no mbabeko schools is here you. And some of the teachers for the Bible account. I'm not surprised because PPE's estimation on my account is almost about 10 million. So clearly, these are Nkora Oboko School. From now going, you know, I think say Ghana Education Service and a Ghana Health Service should be able to move into the area of research, observation to find out Nkora sebe omenya yare ni bi no and I said the behavior of Nkora in the school no, how is it like? Na no betimi aboa to inform the way forward as to whether say aban inclusive school down and I say we should still maintain the status quo that we have it as at now. And I say you betu anamon foforo. All these things, you know, we need our doctors and then people who work in the medical field, no, to give us evidence to speak to, because India, Italy, Germany, France in that sector was based on evidence to inform the kind of decisions that they took. And say we should not just make a sweeping statement, say Bia Nkora no nya PPEs into no member mun school and as Nkora no school sebi ombewu and as I think we need an evidence to be able to say indeed, you know, this is how the COVID behaves amongst Nkora. If say yentimi anye sa nyamani nyina, then we stand at the risk of losing Nkora no, because Nkora no train vie design for 10 months no nana ya and nyama Nkora na famu no and nyama Nkora na famu wo fie no, it is not easy to the extent is that it's even threatened say ebia about 30% of our children cannot return back to the classroom as a result of staying at home for 10 months. Which is very huge in terms of numbers. In this, if the productivity levels of this country, in Korea, to be able to work in this country, you estimate that about 30% will not return back to the classroom. Then it's time to reason, say, the course of action is not about but to take certain measures to protect Nkora whilst they enjoy their right to education. Indeed, these are things that for me we should be able to do to establish a certain policies a bit to be able to protect our children in school. Now, near me pa say anka system no bit to be say whether or not children are potential transmitters of COVID, because countries PIA and omo to be, you know, when they are handling Nkora in a certain environment, they know how to go about it. For instance, OSHA America at a point. Now, encouraging the omudi ewo school, you know, is richer in content in terms of its nutritional value, you know, than what their parents even provide for them. In the COVID never, you know, children were still getting food from the house just to build their immune system.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.